The Samsung Galaxy A34 is a mid-range smartphone that offers some impressive features for the price point. In this review, we examine its design, display, performance, camera, and battery life to help you determine if this device is the right choice for you. Let's start with what you get in the box. With Samsung, unboxing is quite boring because you just get the device, a USB-C cable, SIM injector tool, and the usual documentation, which includes the warranty card and the user guide. Before we jump back in the review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my latest review. Also, drop a like if you're a Samsung smartphone fan. Now let's talk about the design and the build of the Galaxy A34. Samsung is known for producing visually appealing devices, and the A34 exhibits an average design in the line of that tradition. The frame around the screen is slimmer than the older model, and the notch for the front camera still remains. The A34 is made of durable plastic and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It also has a high-quality plastic frame around it. It comes in three colors, which is awesome black, awesome white, and awesome blue. At 198 grams, the A34 is fairly thin and it's easy to hold, even though it has a big screen. This device includes the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and a dedicated microSD slot for expanding storage. While the power and volume button are conveniently placed on the right side, the SIM card tray can be found at the top. For the display, the Galaxy A34 features a 6.6 inches Super AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and a smooth motion for enjoyable experience during movies, gaming, and web browsing. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy A34 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset, and it comes with 6GB of RAM. This combination allows for smooth multitasking and overall good performance for everyday tasks. While this device may not be the best choice for high-end gaming, it should be more than efficient for most users, especially considering its price. Now let's discuss the camera capability of the A34. This device features a triple camera setup at the back, including a 50 megapixel sensor, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. This versatile setup allows it to capture good images in various situations, for detailed close-ups to stunning landscape shots. The front-facing camera is an impressive 32 megapixel sensor, which is okay for selfies and video call. Overall, the Galaxy A34 offers a solid camera experience, especially for a mid-range smartphone. Now, the battery life is a crucial aspect of a smartphone, and the A34 doesn't disappoint in this regard. It comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, providing enough power to easily last through a day of moderate or heavy usage. This device also supports 25 watts fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your battery when you're running low. For the software, the Galaxy A34 runs on Samsung's One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. You'll find all the standard features and customization options you expect from a Samsung device, such as Knox security, Bixby voice assistant, and Edge panel. One notable feature of the A34 is the fact that the device is water and dust resistant. This device can withstand being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for a maximum of 30 minutes, offering an added protection and reassurance for users, whether dealing with accidents or wishing to capture photos during a swim. In my conclusion, the Galaxy A34 starts at 236,000 Naira or $250 for the 6GB and 128 model, which may not be competitive given its features. If you seek an affordable Samsung phone with a large display, water resistant, average camera, and extended battery life, the A34 is worth considering. I'll rate it 8 out of 10, mainly due to the overwhelming camera. I'll suggest you adding more money and buying the A54 instead. That concludes my detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy A34. If you have any questions or want to share your opinions, feel free to comment below. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated to future content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.